This video is recorded on my Fat Shark goggles, which is nowhere near as clear looking as what it is in real life through the goggles. So here's the video.
Okay, this is a test flight of the Patriot Apex. Right mode. Looks like that lens could be a little bit focused. What's up with that? It's just a matter of turning it. I think there's some schmutz on it. Okay, this is a test flight of the Patriot Apex. That lens could be fine-tuned a little bit better. I think it's a little loose. It's very, very windy out. Oh yeah, man. That's way better. The other day, I was trying to fly this thing and get a video, and it was terrible. I'm like, what the hell is going on? All right, rates are it's a little different than I'm used to. Man, that wind is something else. It's just pounding on the side of me. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Much better. The little cable that goes from the UFL to the SMA, inside the SMA, when I was undoing it, the cable just came right out of the shrink tube. Anyhow, it had never been soldered or nothing. They just like put it in there and shrunk tube them together. So here there was the antenna wasn't getting a signal, but I'd fly out across this and I was losing signal when I was like half that distance. As you can see, it's doing pretty good right now. Yeah, when I get back here, I'm going to get a little bit of the radio yelling at me because this has a light receiver. I still got good signal at about half signal. So, but it'll yell at me. See if I'm sideways. And that antenna doesn't work good sideways. Or maybe it does, I don't know. Anyhow, it feels a little floaty today because all this wind it's fighting. I don't know if you can see the wind pushing on that tent, but it's just a strong breeze. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that VTX. I thought it was garbage. I'm like, man, this VTX sucks. I just flew the whole field all the way to the back. I'm clear up here in the front by the school, right up behind the school. Do a little wall ride. Woo.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
My radio's yelling at me. It's got the it's just the Beta FPV light receiver in it, so it's only got 10 milliwatt of it sending back to my radio, but the radio is 150 milliwatt that I'm using, so you'll get yelled at way before you lose signal, but it just kind of lets you know that to start paying attention, because signal can drop fast. I know it'll fly this whole field though perfectly fine, and I don't know what the distance here is, but it's a couple hundred yards or a couple hundred meters. See, I'm getting down to 22. I was getting the 22 there, but that's because the way I'm flying, the battery or the bottom of the quad was directly between me and it. Like if I go like this, it'll drop.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
But this is not a high powered drone at all, but it flies plenty good enough. It's only got the old school 2205 motors in it. Let's hit some gaps. That wind kind of died down. As soon as I said that, a gust hit me. Alright. Slightly different rates than I'm used to. Let's do a power loop. Yeah, this is good little drone. It's on an Apex frame. They're known to be pretty tough. This is a ooh, I overdid that one a little. Just gonna power loop this. Alright, this is not my normal drone, so of course I'm not exactly used to how it flies. Oh shit. Well, that's a testament to how tough it is. Let's see, what am I doing? I need the crash mode. The grass is too long. Stopping my props from starting.
Okay, this is me back at the house as I'm walking over there. You can see a little funny lines. The antenna was knocked loose, and because I had actually caught the antenna on the tent when I was going up underneath it, because it sticks up about 4 inches in the back. But everything was fine.
Thing stabbed me in the leg. Oh, that shade is light. Nice. It's hot out. Let's try this again. Oh. That antenna got knocked loose. Alright, let's try this again. Row mode. Anyhow, one thing about this being less powerful is it gets a lot longer flights. I mean,
Telemetry lost. Telemetry
oh, I'm
recovered.
standing behind this damn fence. Ah, crap. With the radio down at my waist, it's had to bring it up to my chest. It was below the fence, metal fence blocking it. Anyhow, these are 20 amp motors. They'll pull 20 amps apiece. The ESC is a 28 amp, so that's continuous. There comes the wind, as I wasn't going forward any. Also, it's bright and sunny out. You can see a little washout. This does have a cheaper camera in it, but they're pretty good. I mean, they're plenty flyable. You know, $50 camera. This is like a $20 camera. A $50 camera is going to do nice at.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
It's going to be a little sharper and everything. A little better light handling. But this is a starlight, so it actually, you can fly it into late into the evening, and even if there's like street lights and stuff, fly it at night. Yeah, I'm fighting that wind. It's just coming straight on here. My battery's getting pretty low. This drone gets around 8-minute flights, unless you do shit like this. Woo! It might still get 8 minutes.